If you've been looking for a property where the garage actually matters, this is one that you need to see. This isn't just a place to park cars. This is a fully built out 40 by 40 shop. You've already got 2 lifts in place, which is a huge advantage, especially if you work on your own cars. Over here you got a dedicated workshop. This isn't an afterthought. This was laid out for real projects. One of the most underrated features, there's a bathroom right in the garage. Small detail, but it makes a big difference when you're spending time out there. Overall, this is just one of those setups that just makes sense. Outside, the property ties everything together. You have a huge wraparound porch that gives you that New England vibe, but it also gives you a nice place to relax at the end of the day. Fenced-in backyard, dog kennel in place, and the lot gives you tons of usable space. Now the house actually keeps up, which isn't usually the case with properties like this. You have the classic New England colonial layout with a front-to-back living room and a fireplace. The kitchen has already been updated along with the bathrooms, the flooring, and other major components. Huge master suite. Guys, I know the garage is one of the awesome features about this house, but this house itself, someone is gonna fall in love with this place. Hope you're excited about this listing just as much as I am. 46 Underwood Road in Hubbardston, Massachusetts. This thing goes live next week, and I can't wait for you guys to check this one out. This property isn't for everybody, and you know what? That's a good thing. But if you're a car enthusiast, contractor, or hobbyist, this property checks boxes that most of these houses don't.